The Chinese People's Liberation Army Air Force, PLAAF, recently released photos of their J-16 multirole fighter jet carrying the PL-17 long-range advanced air-to-air missile. The image shows 4 J-16 jets flying in formation, carrying various configurations of air-to-air missiles. 2 of them were fully loaded with weapons. The 2 J-16 in question appeared to be carrying 4 PL-10 missiles, 1 PL-12, 4 PL-15 and 1 larger PL-17. This diverse missile loadout covers the short to long-range engagement range of the J-16. The PL-17 missile gives it an even longer firing range. The PL-17, sometimes called the PL-20, was seen 7 years ago, in November 2016 in a test firing. The missile was originally known as the PL-XX by the West. These long-range missiles are likely to be used primarily to target high-value assets, such as tankers and enemy airborne early warning (AEW&C) aircraft. It seems that the PL-17 project is being lined up to replace the PL-12 or PL-21 versions, both of which use ramjet motors. While the PL-17 opts for a dual-pulse rocket motor, making it easier to master in terms of technology. This missile is significantly longer and larger in diameter than the long-range PL-15 missile, at almost 6 meters in length. The missile uses a combination of 4 small tail fins and thrust vector control to maneuver. Reportedly, the PL-17 missile has a range of around 300 kilometers, with a top speed of at least Mach 4. Guidance is thought to be achieved through a combination of a 2-way data link and an AESA seeker, which is highly resistant to electronic countermeasures. The possible presence of an optical window on the nose side of the missile could indicate the presence of an additional infrared seeker, which would make it much harder to defeat as it would be immune to interference in the final phase of combat. To target opponents at very long distances in combat, the J-16 with its PL-17 missile is expected to involve targeting data provided by existing assets. Such assets include airborne early warning and control aircraft, other aircraft closer to the target, ground-based radar or even satellites.